Hello everyone, it's Will. I'm out at Portland Mills, Raccoon Lake. The sun finally broke through a little bit, so try and get out here and do something. It's a Friday. We're just a couple of days away from the inauguration of the president. I don't know how we got here, but someone's going to figure it out at some point in history how the extremists on both sides, left and the right, have brought us to the point where we now have more troops in Washington, D.C. than in Iraq and Afghanistan combined. How did we get here? I don't know. So anyway, I brought the drone out. Little bag for the drone. We're out here at Portland Mills to take a walk around and try and do something to take our minds off of the powder keg that we're waiting to explode next week. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Left and the right, they're both to blame. And yeah, this is what we're going to do today. All right, Portland Mills. I've been out here, been to other parts around the lake. I've never hung out here at Portland Mills area. This is an experience for me. I've already seen deer tracks. Either beaver or muskrat. Something's out here chewing on some of the trees near the water line. People in the area, Park County, have gotten trail cams out, caught bobcats with their cameras. And you can see the part of the lake. This is the northern end of the lake. See some raccoon tracks maybe? That's deer, more deer. I think that might be raccoon. Oh. Alright, so we're just now starting to see part of the lake. Like I said, I've never been out this part of the lake. I've been to other parts. That's looking back towards the main body of the lake. That is not the highway everyone thinks of. That's just a country road. It's a bridge. And then this is looking back towards the north end. I'd like to live up there. What a view. What a view that guy has. So in the summer, I would be standing in at least waist deep water. See, the water goes all the way up there during summer. Nice outcropping of rocks if you had a boat in the summer. Yeah. So let's give the whirlbird a try. See what we can see going out that way without having to walk through the mud by using the drone. Alright, before I pulled out the drone, I started looking around. If you look at some of these trees around here, something looks to be gnawing on some of these branches. I mean, some of these trees come to the ground. It's not likely it was some kid out here. They're too random and they're up underneath the brush. So there might be a beaver out here or something else that wants to chew on branches. There's another one there. I don't know what, something broke that one, I think, though. Another one, big one back there. About 30 some odd feet out there. I can see a couple more. Got more way out that direction. Might be a beaver, maybe a muskrat, I don't know. Something's chewing on the trees.
Tone Trevor Production. Baby, Mahogany if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me. Oh, every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back. So broken, yet I noticed, and the weight of the world's got you hopeless. Nothing's greater, nothing's better. You just sit and you wait to
Alright, so if you'd come here with your boat to Portland Mills, this is the boat ramp. So I just flew the drone down here to the right. That's where I entered in. So back over in this direction, there's an access road. I took a trail. Down here is where you would do the boat ramp, park your truck once you got your boat off, and head that way under the bridge towards 36. This is not 36, by the way. That direction to get to the main body of the lake. So yeah, Portland Mills boat ramp. So if you come up Portland Mills and cross that bridge, be aware that that is a very narrow bridge if there was two-way traffic. One person's going to have to go up because there's just no way feasibly with a big truck like mine to pass another vehicle on this bridge. And through the trees you can see the parking lot I just talked about. If you pull up here with your boat and you come across this road, it's going to be a while to find a good place to spin around and get back towards 36. Oh, it's sleeting. I can hear it falling through the trees, and now I can see it falling. Oh, I'm tired of winter. Looks like there's an old bridge down there. Can't quite make it out yet. Yep. So back before they flooded out the area to make the dam in the lake, that must have been a road. So you can see way down there is where I was at flying a drone. This is the boat ramp. So all you guys with fishing boats, come out here. Get an idea where to fish once you fill the lake back up. I see a lot of structures for fish to hang out though. Some stumps. Various piles of rocks out here. Portland Mills boat ramp. How about this view? I don't know whose house this is, but it's for sale. It is probably not a cheap house. Based off of the view and the size of this house that's here, I'm guessing it's probably $1 million home. Some more of the lake out that direction. We're out near the Walker boat ramp area. But yeah, what a view. And the house is a big house. But someday win the lottery, right? What a view. Alright, so across the way is that house I just came from, and that's their view on the other side. And we got one person down here fishing. They didn't quite make him out to the trees. The downside of being out Raccoon Lake, Park County is not too expensive to live in for houses. Until you come out here to the Raccoon Lake, these houses quickly jump up to close to $1 million homes. With $1 million views, of course. That means property taxes are probably pretty high out here at the lake. In the summertime, you can definitely tell it to be a lot more water in the lake. Even this portion of the lake out near Walker Boat Ramp still have quite a bit of water, even in the winter. I hear a hawk or an eagle in the background over my truck engine. Yeah, gotta love Raccoon Lake area. So there's a downside to living out here at the lake, and that's these little roads. And there is all these out here have these homeowners association fees to help keep these roads functional, especially in the winter. So you can see they're pretty narrow. There's quite a few number of houses out here. The other thing I've noticed, it seems like there's really been a push to get high-speed internet all around out here. These signs were here back in the summer, all these ridiculous fast internet. I didn't see these signs when I came driving around out here during the summer. But you know, if you're out here just for the summertime, weren't living out here full time, then it wouldn't be too bad. But yeah, you get an idea of what these roads are like in the winter. If they were piled up with snow, you might be stuck for a while. This turnaround's a little tight for me in this big truck. Can't make it. So there are several of these little alcoves all around the lake. They're kind of like this. Some have nice roads, some don't. Yeah, this is what it'd be like living out at Raccoon Lake. Out near the Walker Boat Ramp. We're just south of 36. Now we're back out onto a decent road. And of course it's trying to snow.